Good day, my name is Dila Imibo and I'm your export doctor. Today I'll be talking about the contract section on payment method, but the focus today will be on letter of credit as a payment method on your contract. Letter of credit as a payment method on your contract. Remember, we talked about open account as a payment method on your contract, on your export contract. We talk about letter of credit as a payment method on your export contract. We talk about advance payment. We talk about open account as a payment method on your export contract. We talk about documentary collection or bill for collection as a payment method on your export contract. We've also talked about advance payment as a payment on your export contract. In today's video, I'll be talking about letter of credit as a payment method on your export contract. Let me first define letter of credit. It's an undertaking of the exporter giving of the importer's bank, giving to the exporter, undertaking of the importer's bank, giving to the exporter. It gives assurance of payment when shipment is made and documents are presented that conform to the terms and conditions of a letter of credit. So when you are putting letter of credit as a payment terms on your contract, don't just say payment term letter of credit. Agree which kind of letter of credit. Which kind of letter of credit? Is it confirmed, which is often used when you have concern with the country where the importer operates from, political risk or economic risk in that country? Is it confirmed letter of credit that require another bank in another country to give additional undertaking? Is it confirmed letter of credit? These are the things that make the drafting of letter of credit to be easy. Is it confirmed letter of credit, number one? Number two, is it unconfirmed letter of credit? That means only one bank can give an undertaking. And that should be the disposition of an exporter when the country and the bank are not having any crisis. Number two, or perceived or expected crisis. Number two, is the partial shipment allowed or not allowed? Does the good have to be shipped together at once? Can they be shipped in tranches? That should be on your contract. If it's confirmed, sometimes you might need to indicate which kind of bank you will want to confirm it and which country, if it's confirmed. Then we have, is it transshipment allowed or not allowed? You want the good not to be transshipped? To a large extent, you really don't have control over that. For partial, I can understand. For transshipment, I don't think it's necessary because most of the time you don't have control. It's good you put it so that the exporter can look for shipping line that will, but sometimes shipping line can still do it even if they didn't plan to do it before, depending on the operational exigencies and whatever it is they need to do to be able to deliver on what they promise you as an exporter. Now, the letter of credit also, is it sight? Is it tenured? Sight means payment will be made within 5 banking days upon presentation of document, if the documents are compliant. Remember, it's an undertaking of the buyer's bank given to the seller. Talking about letter of credit, give assurance of payment when shipment is made and documents are presented that conform to the terms and conditions of a letter of credit. That conform to the terms and conditions of a letter of credit. Is it sight or tenor? Now, if it's tenor, payment will be made at a later date, but the bank will give an undertaking to pay at that later date in future, either through acceptance of a draft or incurring a deferred payment undertaking. It's also important to state if the LC is revocable or irrevocable. That might not be necessary, in my opinion, actually, because if the LC is subject to the most recent version of the rule guide letter of credit, which is called Uniform Custom Practice, then it is inherently irrevocable. And being inherently irrevocable means I don't need to state that it is irrevocable again. I just need to state letter of credit, and it is automatically an irrevocable letter of credit. I believe this video has been of help to you about what are the information you need to put around the word letter of credit when you are using it as contract, as the method of payment on your contract. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have friends that need to hear about this, tell your friends and share with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe. If you want to know when we upload the next video, we still have a number of other things to talk about. Sales contract, please drop your comment in the comment section. Click on the notification bell so you know when we upload a new video. Thank you very much for stopping by. My name remains Dilayimba, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.